Hey you guys, Cerese here, Cerese D Magazine. We are doing a pineapple margarita today, and let's go. It's gonna be so tasty. All right, you guys, let's get started. I'm using Blanco tequila, but use what you want. If you want a reposado, añejo, do what you like. We're going in with 2 ounces, because this is gonna be delish. 2 ounces. We've got pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice. Now, if you don't have fresh, just use the stuff in the can. It's totally fine. So let's go in with about 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And of course, we need lime for margarita. And we're gonna want about 1 ounce of lime juice as well. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with about 1 ounce, half an ounce, depending on your sweetness level of simple syrup. And then last, we're going in with Cointreau. Let's do about 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. All right, let's give her a shake. Look at that color, so pretty. Okay, so we are gonna garnish with a pineapple flower. Now these are super easy to make. All you have to do is slice the pineapple, and basically you're dehydrating them in your oven at like 270, 260 degrees, and for about 4 to 5 hours. What you want to do is make sure you slice them as thin as possible and pat them dry and flip them every 30 minutes, okay? Let's make another one. It's like lemonade. The little pineapple flower on top. He's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at that. So freaking cute. Cheers. Something about a margarita is so delicious, and it just makes you so happy. Be sure, hit the subscribe button, follow us on YouTube, watch all of our videos, our past and our upcoming videos.